I wonder what it is people say it's crush. Don't know how or why it all happened in a rush. My anger, my sentiment is what pushed you away. Not talking to you made me regret each day. Became friends later on, leaving past behind. Is it all just a game played with my mind? Met a new girl, thought she was the one. My heart replied, love is not for fun. Fooled my heart, talked to her day and night. I told myself it doesn't feel right. Why am I only attracted to you? For once, can't you admit you love me too?